Hi, my name's Chloe. I've just ordered a meal kit from the Time2Eat app, so let's see what's inside. This meal kit has everything you need to make a tofu donburi with jasmine rice. Let's get cooking. Okay, now for the moment of truth, the taste test. Make sure I've got a bit of everything on my fork. Wow, that tastes so good. It's like just like a katsu curry from Kokoro, which is so strange because it's so quick and easy to make. I will definitely be buying this again. I am super impressed with that meal kit. Not only was it really tasty, but it was filling and super easy to make. Make sure that you download the Time2Eat app so you can get yours.